Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Jay and this is my channel Make Money with Jay. As you can see, or if you're new here, I make money with Printables and KDP, selling books on Amazon, and I document it and I share whatever is working for me. I'm very transparent. Feel free to come and check them out. I've got like Easter printables, Christmas printables, you name it. I've got books like colouring books, activity books, basically anything you can see on here I do, yeah. And I even show you how to get some freebies as well, guys. So yeah, if you're new here, welcome. And today's video we're going to look at Bible study printables, basically, yeah. So anything to do with Bibles and that, yeah. Because over on here, this is called Crispy Prints. He has just released a new set of prints we can print off, because he does like Christmas, he does Easter, he does baby shower, and this is his new one, Bible prints. So what we're going to do, you come here and it says grab the template, yeah, grab the background template. So you download that. I've already done it, but I'm going to show you, yeah. And you come over to here and you upload it, and that's what it looks like. I'll just show you now, yeah. So yeah, so I've uploaded it there, I've dragged it across here, and that's what it is. This is the template, this is what you work off. So you just basically you create a new page and then you design it like this. Now all I've done is this is what I've done, guys, yeah. I'll quickly show you. I come here, I always keep the top one spare, yeah. So let's just clear this, yeah. And I get this like square and I go over it like that, yeah. And you do this. Now obviously you take your time with this, get it how you want it. Yeah, so yeah, so I've copied that, right? Let me just get rid of this background, so I'll come off that. Yeah, so now it's clear, yeah. So what we've done, it's there. So yeah, what you do, you come over here. I don't know, let's say Bible. We're looking for a background, so let's say this one, yeah, Holy Bible. No, what I'll show you is one I've done earlier is this one here. So you go across there and you can see, you let it fill the page. Then this, this, you just change the colour. Now a lot of people just do it white, but what I've just learned, guys, is if I go to here, you can change the transparency so they can still see some of it. Now I went 50 earlier, right? I'm going to show you something. I went 50 earlier, right? So you download this, you bring it back to Crispy Prints, and you upload it here, yeah. And then when you can click on whichever games you want, yeah, and then you create a bundle, and then it makes this, and this is the games. Now as you can see, with the 50% transparency, you can hardly see some of it, yeah. Now some of the games, perfect, yeah, you can easily see them, right, yeah. But some of it, some people might struggle with this writing in the background, depending on which background you choose. So what I've done over here now, scroll down. These are some of the backgrounds I've made earlier, yeah, guys. So as you can see, plain background, white and the black, yeah. Then I've done transparency again to 50 on this one, so a different book, different Bible, different image. You can play around and you can make your own, guys, yeah. And then I like this one, this is quite cool. Then this is the one where I did 50, yeah, I think that's 50. That's the 51. Then I created it again, but then done it to 70. So what we'll do, we'll just we'll download this one, clear all them, we don't want to download them all. Just click the bottom one, because that's the one we want. Then that'll download here, and then this is all you do, guys. You just drag it onto this little box here. Sorry guys, I thought someone banging on my door. You can have a select. You want to select all the games, you can. If you don't, if you only want the first couple, let's just go back to this a minute. Which was the one what looked a bit bad? Trace and colour, right? So we'll just do that one for now. Trace and colour. Click on that. Create bundle. and you leave this screen on and let it do its thing, because if you come off this then it won't load, guys. And this is but you can go onto another screen, you can go onto different backgrounds. Like I said, it's easy enough to make it, and all, if you want to change this logo, all I've done here, guys, is, there you go, it's loaded already, guys. So let's just yeah, so it's a bit better. It's not like you could play around with it, you probably get a bit more. I mean, they can see that, can't they? It's easy enough to see. And then you print that off, you come over to Etsy and trace and colour. Let's have a look if you can find anything, right? Yeah, so I've typed in trivia earlier, right, and as you can see, 27,000 people for kids, 18,000 for just normal trivia. So let's go to trace and colour. Not sure if they're going to find any of this. Well, you got some, but it's not like the ones we were thinking of. So let's just go back to this Bible games. Yeah, so look, you got your categories, you've got your name the candy, word search, you name it. You got 14 different games here. Yeah, I think with this, yes, you can make 12 different games for that, guys. Yeah. Where was we? Oh yeah, over in Etsy. So yeah, you can make 12 different games. I mean, these are selling 14. You can always make your own up as well, guys. Don't forget. You can add colouring pages for with Bible people on. Yeah. So look, who am I? Trivia. There's a trivia one. And look, these are selling, guys. 5 stars. 1,600 have bought it for £3.84. More trivia. These are great, guys. Yeah. So I will leave the link to this. It's called Crispy Prints in the description. But if you are new here, let me just check one more thing, guys. Actually, Bible. Because the name of the video is Bible Study Printable. Yeah. So Bible Study Printable. So you got your journals and stuff like that. Yeah. We can add to this, so when people are searching for it, they can find our games and that, guys, and this is where they can buy them, and then kids will love it. Kids will love these different games. Like, let's just have a look at this one. This is one I made earlier. Yeah, so you got your trace and colour. Yeah, so they got to trace over them, and that's good for kids for learning. Yeah, colour the picture, word search, Bible term search, so they've got to find these different ones inside the Bible. Yeah, so it's making them active and interactive with the Bible. Yeah, unscramble the Bible, so they've got to unscramble these words, and then they get to learn them as well, guys. Yeah, Bible book names, so they've got to learn the names of the books. Trivia, unscramble the verse, and you get this. You get the answers, and that you can download the answers with all these as well. Yeah, guys, so you can sell with the answers. Unscramble the verse, colour by number, Bible verse numbers, Bible crossword, book facts. So they're learning, guys. Yeah, so that is a great game, like a great printable for selling on Etsy. And the good thing is, guys, right, you can print these off yourself, you can use them yourself, or you can sell them on Etsy or like any other like selling platform. But there's 12 games here, so you could sell 12 games on Etsy individually. Yeah, so you could sell it as a trivia, you could sell it as book facts, you could sell it as word scramble. Yeah, but then you can also bundle them together with like the full 12 and sell them as well. So then you'll have 13 different money making printables, guys. Yeah, then you can add your own to it for making more. You can mix and match them, guys. You can change the background, change the icon, and then upload another lot. So people might think, well, I don't want this yellow cross, I want this one. Yeah, I don't want this, I want that. So you can make multiple of the same game, but different backgrounds, different icons, clip art, and that. Yeah, and then that is how you can make more, guys. And that is it, guys, for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is my channel, yeah, Make Money with Jay. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you come back. If you did and you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of games are you looking forward to. Do you want me to show you more from Crispy Prints? Let me know, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.